All right, guys, time for the last part of Rocks and Minerals, Z4. Selecting the parts of the rock cycle diagrams, okay? So we practice labeling. Now we have to pick out the appropriate part. So click on it. This one does get a little more complicated because, like I said in the last one, different types of transformations can occur, okay? The diagram below is a model of the rock cycle. The diagram shows how one type of rock can change into another type of rock. Select the igneous rock. Igneous is always formed from cooling and crystallization. I find a crystallization arrow and I click it. Now you notice they're starting off easy. There's only one crystallization arrow. You can probably guess it's going to get more complicated. If they asked for metamorphic and metamorphic arrows, you see there's more than one, right? So keep that in mind. Select sediment. We're looking for what? Weathering and erosion causes sediments, right? So now we're looking for weathering and erosion. Sedimentation makes the sedimentary rock, but we're looking for sediment. Weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion. Do you see any more? Yep, weathering and erosion, but they're all pointing to only one box right now. So again, not too bad yet. Here's a different one. Now we're looking for the magma. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. It's pretty easy to look and see the lava and the magma. Lava, magma. But we're looking for melting. So look, metamorphic rock can melt and become magma. Sedimentary rock can melt and become magma. And igneous rock can all different melt and have it turned back to magma. So here we go. Metamorphic rock, we're looking for metamorphism, which is intense heat and pressure. Okay? So, metamorphism. Look, metamorphism. All right? So, both igneous rock and sedimentary rock can be transformed under heat and pressure into a metamorphic rock. So we're looking for that metamorphism arrow. All right. Now we're looking for sedimentary rock. So we're looking for that sedimentation arrow. Sedimentation causes sedimentary rock. Okay. Do we see sedimentation anywhere else? Double check, double check, double check. No. Okay. Well done. Now, just like the last round, I'm going to miss one on perfect here. All right. Select one arrow that represents weathering and erosion. Okay. Now, it would be an arrow pointing to sediment. Okay. That's your right answer, but the arrow is there. You've got to choose the arrow. Actually, I'm going to do this one right. Okay. Now, select one arrow. You don't have to select more than one, but you could have selected that one instead, right? Because it's weathering and erosion into sediment. So it's got to be pointing at the sediment. All right, this time I'll miss one on purpose. Metamorphism, it's turning into a metamorphic rock. So it's got to point at the metamorphic rock. This is the right answer, okay? This would be the wrong answer because it's melting into magma. So let's say I choose that one and I'm wrong. Okay? Here, again, an explanation of how to get it right. Always important to read these. Oh my God. So remember this during the video. And then click got it when you understand.